In this iMovie Quick Click, I'm going to show you how you can use some filters. So going into my iMovie here, if I tap on this settings cog right at the top next to the plus button, that's where I can access the whole project settings. So say if you wanted the whole project to be in black and white, in one of these other type of settings, maybe a blockbuster, that's where I would select that one there. This theme is, I guess, something that you can use where you don't have to think about where your titles are going to go and the type of music that you're going to choose. So maybe I'm choosing a neon theme, and if I pop the theme soundtrack on, you'll notice that it pops that neon sound down the bottom. Fading in from black and fading out from black always looks nice in an iMovie. But I'm going to go back here and say just no project setting. Now if I tap on an individual clip, you can see that I can change the way that that particular clip will look in this but maybe the rest of it looks in a different way. And that's how you adjust and use some of the filters in iMovie.